Hi, this is Lotta, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use instant accounts. You can create instant accounts with an educational license, and you can use it so that students don't have to register themselves. Plus, you have full control over what your students can do with a Bound Creator. To create instant accounts, you click on Instant Account in the drop-down menu. And on this page, you first have to create a group to which the accounts are assigned to. Click on Create New Group and choose a name for your group. Since this will be part of the login URL, you cannot use spaces or special letters. I am going to name this group History Class. You are now in the group administration. Students will use this link to log in. To create an instant account, click on Create Instant Account. And here you can choose a name and a password for that account. I am going to choose Mary, and I will give her the password 123. Now I will set the permissions for Mary's account. She will be able to create bounds, but I don't want her to be able to put bounds online or offline. I want to be in charge of that, so I'll uncheck this box. But she will be able to edit the bounds. She won't be able to delete them, and I don't want her to see the results, but she will be able to upload her own media. Instant accounts will be using your media library, so anything they'll upload will be in your library, and everything you've uploaded they will be able to see and to use. So if you uncheck this box, they can only use the media you already provide. Now click on Create Instant Account, and you see all the settings here. You will always be able to edit them at any time. If you want to create several accounts at once, click on Generate Instant Accounts. Put down a number of how many accounts you want to create. I'm going to put down 3. And you can set the permissions here as well. Click on Generate, and here you see that each of the generated accounts has preset names and passwords, and you can also edit that at any given time. You can also print out a sheet with all the login information for your students. If you want to share bounds with your instant account users, click on My Bounds in the drop-down menu. You can see there has been a folder created for your group. Now you can just drag and drop a bound you want to share on that folder and click on Release Bound. You see that each account now has a copy of your bound. You can also see which user is working on which bound. You can also share your bound with one specific account. To do so, click on the bound you want to share and click on Modify Permissions. Choose a group and an account and click on Set Permissions. You see here that this bound has now been shared with Alexane13. And please note that this is now not a copy, this is now the original bound. Of course, you can delete all accounts and all bounds at once. To do so, go back to Instant Accounts and click on the Delete button next to the group. You will have to type in the group name. And if you want to delete all the bounds as well, you check this box and you see all the bounds that will be deleted. Click on Delete Group And if you go back to My Bounds, you see that the folder and the bounds have been deleted. If you have any questions about instant accounts, feel free to ask us. I hope you'll have fun trying out this new feature. Thank you and bye-bye.